Hey guys, this is a spring shop with me at the store at home. Come along with me as I look to see what they have new for the season. Here are some planters that I thought were really cute with really cute sayings. And you're going to notice a theme of color coordination throughout this video. They have a lot of items that are matchy-matchy. So that's great if that's your thing. But these sayings were really cute. Plant whisper, talk dirt to me. I thought that was just so clever. And again, very cute. If you are thinking of an herb garden, whether indoor or outdoor, these little picks are great for that. I thought they were adorable. Here are some decorative items just for the porch, just to kind of jazz it up a little bit if that's what you're into. And again, with the matchy, here are some gardening gloves, which are very affordable, just $1.99. And then some tools as well. So you can match your whole situation for gardening. And I thought that was really neat. And here are just some pads for kneeling at your garden. Dollar Tree also has some, but I don't think they have these colors available. So At Home has some options for you. Here are some of their candles. Of course, these are outdoor battery operated, I believe, candles. So maybe on your back porch, a covered back porch. These are great for that. Here's some more decorative items for your lawn or for your porch. I thought the gnomes were so cute. Really cute. I also wanted to show more of their planters. As you can see, they go with the colors as well. The yellow is really pretty, but yellow is one of my favorite colors, so I'm a little partial to it. And here are some watering cans as well, and some plant stands are over there. They even have some flamingos that you can color coordinate too for decoration. Here's some more signage. This is a little more summery than spring, but of course spring transitions into summer, so I think you can have that either way. Here's some more color coordinated tools. They even have a water hose, you guys, so you can be matchy all the way. Here's some decorative picks for maybe your garden, just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. Of course, the gnomes are so cute. I thought $5.99 was a little pricey for these items, but then again, they're really cute. So here are some more gnomes, and they have the larger ones and then some smaller ones and then the medium-sized ones. I mean, how adorable are those? If you are really into gnomes, then you definitely want to stop by At Home. Here's some more beach type decorative stuff. This is kind of summery as well, but then again, like I said, spring goes into summer. I thought these were very cute for decoration. I guess you can put like tea lights in them and maybe put them on a table under your patio. I thought this item was really pretty. If you're into wind chimes, that is a really pretty wind chime. They also have some more decorative items that are kind of beachy. I love the sea turtle. I think that's really cute. They have these bicycles that are for the yard and very decorative and come in different colors. And again, I'm partial to the yellow. And they also have some flowers. Some of them do move, but I think most of them are just in place. Here's some more decorative art for your walls. I thought the llamas were very cute. The pineapples. And I was really into this piece here. I thought it was really pretty. And I just think that they've updated some of their artwork in at home. For a while there, they had a lot of the same things, and I think they got a new shipment in, which I'm so happy for. I mean, look at these pieces. So pretty, very elegant. I just love them. So if you are into that type of artwork, you may want to stop by at home. Like I said, I think they've updated some of their artwork that they have available. Lots of colors and shades for the spring and summer weather. These two art pieces are just so pretty, and I could not resist. I had to film them and made sure I captured them for you guys. Here we are with some more matchy. I think the purple is really pretty. I think that's more like a lilac color or a lavender color. So I think it's really, really pretty. And I think that if purple is your thing, or a soft purple, you definitely want to try out at home and see what they have. You can color coordinate everything. Believe me, they have it there for your outdoor needs. I think this would be a great idea if you're planning to have like some sort of get together outside. You can have everything color coordinated and looking very nice and put together, and you can get it all from at home. And they have some wreaths here. Those are bunnies. Of course, Easter is on its way, so you're going to see a lot more bunnies out there. These bunnies were really, really cute, just decorative bunnies. Here's some more. These are the brown ones. They have different shapes in there. I thought that was cute with the glasses and the bow with the little bunny butt. I thought that was adorable. And they have a welcome sign for Easter and some more yard signage for Easter as well. And I couldn't resist another little bunny butt. Like, I thought that was so cute. I don't know what it is. I usually don't decorate a lot for Easter, but I may have to go back and get some of the bunny items. And here are some large Easter signs, which I thought were nice. You can put those on your front porch, by your door. And they even have an inflatable here. And I didn't get the price of that, but they do have some inflatables. And here is a mister for your flowers. I may have to go back and get that. I think that's really cute, and it comes in several colors. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.